अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ कि ये फैंसी जगह कोई कैफ़े नहीं ऑफिस है, यस, इट्स एन ऑफिस नॉट अ कैफ़े। हाँ, ये भी और ये भी। वेलकम टू द कूलेस्ट ऑफिस एवर। दिस इज गूगल सिंगापुर। Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Swati, and if you have been following my Singapore series, you already know that I am here in Singapore for a Google Tech event. And after the event, I got a chance to visit Google Singapore office. Now, I have visited many Google offices, but this one was something else. This is beyond my expectation. So come, I'll give you a full tour of this amazing office. And trust me, there are some hidden corners which you don't want to miss. So stay till the end and follow along. अब entrance itself is काफ़ी amazing. एक तरफ से अगर आप देखो तो it looks like welcome, and from the other side it says Google. So it says welcome Google. Then there is this Lego zone where you can play around with Legos for some time. And then there was this Google Pixel store where you can try out all the latest Google Pixel products, from phones to earbuds to watches. Everything is available in this Google Pixel store. Then हर Google ऑफिस के जैसे यहाँ पे भी एक fully equipped gym था. And then there were micro kitchens to grab snacks and very aesthetic cafeteria also. I got some coffee from the micro kitchen and then went to YouTube Teams floor, and there I found this amazing hidden spot. So from that spot, if you point your camera towards the stairs, you will see an amazing 3D Google logo in front of you. So normally you won't notice it, but while you point your camera there, you will notice this 3D logo. This was so cool. And then I saw this fancy, colorful passageway. I think aesthetics of Google offices are unmatched. So this is like beyond imagination to get such fancy corner in a tech office, isn't it? Then these were all the board games here in the cafeteria. This was like a khajana of all the board games. So after seeing all these corners, I was already amazed, but I didn't know कि top floor से इतना surreal view दिखेगा. I mean, just look at this 5-star view from the office. Well, that's it for the Google Singapore office tour. Would you agree that this is the coolest office ever? Tell me in the comments. If you liked this video guys, please give it a thumbs up, comment below and share it with someone. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Watch my other videos from the Singapore series in this playlist. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye bye.